Well, here we are doing a 3D printer again, but this is a practical application. My brother Ron said he needed a bezel to go around his new receiver, whatever he had that was missing one. And it's going to be something like this, only this is like one for his other receiver. And this one's a bit bigger. This is a smaller one I'm making, and actually it's pretty easy once you figure out how to go ahead and set these up, and then it's just a matter of loading it on the SD card, and you have a bunch of things to pick from on the SD card, and just pick the right one. You know, I mean, like right now I think I have about 4 different things on the SD card that comes with this. You can do it, I mean, they do have a cord you can go directly from the 3D printer to your computer and do it directly, but actually it really works a lot faster if you just go ahead, use your computer, transfer your information to the SD card, and then go and start printing this. And so, let's see, I wonder if I should get it's kind of dark, but I think you can see that pretty good. Let me go ahead and zero in on that and see what it's coming up with. Okay, yes, it will be smaller than this one, which is what I'm looking for. It'll be smaller than that bezel. Yeah, it's going to be smaller. So this is exactly the right one I need. Just making sure I have the right one for him so I don't give him the wrong one. But yeah, so it looks like it's going to work out okay. I mean, it'll probably take, right now it's only at 11%, so it'll probably take at least 30 minutes for this to be done. But it will be done, and we'll come back in a little bit later and we'll see the progress. Okay, this is only 36% done so far, so it will be a taller bezel than this one. This one is pretty thin. So this is going to be smaller. It'll actually fit inside this one, but it's going to be taller, and that's because where it has to fit is going to be a different size screen, and it looks like it should work all right. But it sure does make a lot of funny movements, I'll tell you, to get this thing set up. So let's see, how many things have we made with this thing now? This is like the 5th object I've made with this 3D printer since I've gotten it. So it's working out pretty well. Every little project we have, I haven't had to throw anything away except for the one that was like half done, but I mean, I ran out of plastic on that. It was no fault of the machine itself. But it looks like this will work out pretty well. And let's see, we're up to 41%, and that's 25 minutes in. So actually this is going to take longer than the other one did. The other one was like 32 minutes, I think. This is going to take longer than that. This will take probably about almost an hour. So yeah, it'll be a taller bezel. But the dimension's right. I checked it out with my brother and said, yep, that's it. That's the one. I said, okay. So anyhow, I'll show you when it's completed, and we'll come back in a little bit. All right, the project is completed. There's what it looks like. Here's what the other one looked like. That'll go right over top of it. And it's really, this AnyCubic 3D printer is probably the easiest one to use. I would say Even if I can do it, I mean, I have a high school diploma. I've been to 2 different colleges, but I do not have a college degree. I'm not any brain by any stretch of the imagination, but all you have to do is, in this case, I use the Ultimaker Cura software. It's easy to use 3D printing software. What it does is it opens up the GeoCode file you need for the project. Then you just save it, and actually what it does is it opens it up, and then you can save it to the SD card that comes with this 3D printer. And when you do that, it shows up on this screen down here, and that's why I have all the other projects are saved. Not a big deal. You go to that one, you just go ahead and click on it, and that's it. The printer does the rest. So there you go. That's another bezel that my brother Ron needed. And that's going to be it for now. See you guys later.